Hi guys, how are you? This video is a reminder on how to use can in affirmative, in negative, and in question form. Are you ready to review? Let's get started. Remember, can and can't are used for abilities. Affirmative. In the case of affirmative sentences, we use the following structure. I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, and they can. Can is the same for all the pronouns. Negatives. How do we use can in negative? It is very simple. We follow the following structure. I cannot turns into I can't. You cannot becomes you can't. He cannot becomes he can't. She cannot becomes she can't. It cannot becomes it can't. We cannot turns into we can't. You cannot becomes you can't. And they cannot becomes they can't. In other words, we can use the full form cannot for all the pronouns or can't, the abbreviation form, for cannot. Let's practice a little bit. Parrots can talk. This would be the structure. Parrots, subject, the modal can, and the verb talk. Parrots can talk. Let's see another example. Kangaroos can't talk. This would be the structure. Kangaroos can't talk. We use subject, then the modal can't in negative, and then the verb. Let's see another example. Humans can jump. In this case, we have humans can jump. Subject, humans. Modal can in affirmative. And then the verb, jump. Humans can jump. Let's see another example. Cheetahs can run very fast. Let's take a look at the structure. Cheetahs can run very fast. We use subject for cheetahs, then can in affirmative, verb run, and the complement very fast. Good job! Alright, another example. Dolphins can swim. Dolphins can swim. Subject, can, and verb. Dolphins can swim. Elephants can't jump. This one is in negative. So this is the structure. Elephants can't jump. Subject, can't, and verb. This verb is always in base form. There's no need to conjugate it. Now, how do I ask questions with can? Let's take a look at the formula. Okay, as you can see, we need to use the modal auxiliary first and then the pronoun. Let's see that again. Instead of saying I can, we say can I. Instead of saying you can, we say can you. And these would be some of the short answers. Yes, I or you can, or no, I or you can't. Now we have he can. How do we turn he can into a question? Correct, we need to use the modal first. Can he? Instead of saying she can, we say can she? Or instead of saying it can, we say, can it? And these are the short answers. Yes, he, she, it can, or no, he, she, it can't. Perfect. Alright, now we have we, you, and they can. How do we turn it into questions? Correct. We put the can first and then the pronoun. Can we? Can you? Can they? Good job. And these are the short answers. Yes, we, you, they can, or no, we, you, they can't. Perfect. Alright, let's do some practice. Alright, let's see some examples. Can dolphins swim? Yes, they can. This is the structure. First we have can, then we have the subject, dolphins, and then the verb, swim, followed by the question mark. Can dolphins swim? Another example. Can elephants jump? No, they can't. This will be the structure. Can goes first, then the subject, elephants, and then the verb, jump. Can elephants jump? Followed by the question mark. How about this example? Can kangaroos fly? No, they can't. Let's take a look at the structure. First, can, then kangaroos, and then the verb fly, followed by the question mark. Can kangaroos fly? Alright, let's take a look at this other example. Can parrots talk? Yes, they can. Can parrots talk? We first have the modal can, then the subject, parrots, and then the verb talk, followed by the question mark. Can parrots talk? Perfect. Now let's practice because practice makes perfect. Alright, can you complete these question and answer? Alright, we need to use can. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Good job. How about this? I'm sorry, I help you today. I'm really busy. Would you use can in affirmative or can't in negative? Are you ready to answer? Correct. I'm sorry, I can't help you today. I'm really busy. Can you try this one? I ride a bike, but I drive a car. Pay attention to but in this sentence. You ready to answer? Alright, this is one option. I can ride a bike, but I can't drive a car. So first we use affirmative, and then we use negative. Another option would be, I can't ride a bike, but I can drive a car. So first we can use negative, and then we can use affirmative. Both cases are correct. Alright, what about this? Can you organize it and ask a question? What goes first in the question? Alright, we first need to use can, then the subject or pronoun, she, and then the verb, followed by the question mark. Can she swim? Yes, she can, or no, she can't. Good job. What about here? They can sing. Can you turn it into a question? Alright, let's check. Can they sing? Yes, good job. We first use can, then the pronoun, and then the verb, followed by the question mark. Can they sing? No, they can't, or yes, they can. What about this one? Are you ready to answer? Alright, let's take a look. Correct. We first use can, then the pronoun, then the verb, and then the complement followed by a question mark. Can we go there? No, you can't. Or yes, you can. Remember, we changes to you in the answer. So in the question you can use we, but when you answer, we normally use you. What about here? You can read. Can you turn this into a question? What goes first? Correct. Can you read? We first use the modal can, then the subject, and then the verb, followed by the question mark. Can you read? No, I can't. Yes, I can. You turns into I for answers. Alright, we've reached the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was very helpful. Bye!